In today's video, we are going to discuss important MCQs from the topic soil mechanics. If you are new on our channel Ranking Pedia Education, if you haven't subscribed, then please subscribe our channel and install our application Ranking Pedia Education. In our application, when you will visit YT class notes section, you will get the previous and upcoming classes. So if you are preparing for Tripura TPSC Junior Engineer Civil Exam, you can enroll in our course. In our course, you will get ebook that covers the entire engineering portion syllabus, question bank that covers engineering portion, mock test series that consists of 10 mock test, quality mock test we will provide that is fully dedicated to your preliminary examination. This course does not include video classes, it only includes civil engineering degree portion. So if you are preparing for Tripura TPSC Junior exam, then you can enroll in this course. Course price is just 999 rupees. So how you will enroll in this? Just visit our website rankingpediaeducation.com. Our first question is, water formed transported soil is, your option is alluvial, glacier, marine or loess. So which one is the water formed transported soil? That is alluvial soil. Option number A is correct. Your alluvial is a soil that is transported by water, whereas your glacier is the soil that is transported by glacier, that is your drift or till, and marine is what? That is soil is transported by sea water. Okay, so which one is the water formed transported soil? That is your alluvial soil. Option number A is correct. Next question is, which one in the following list does not possess plasticity? Your option is bentonite, kaolinoite, rock floor or fat clay. So you have to answer in the following list that does not possess plasticity. That is your rock floor does not possess plasticity. Option number C is correct, that is rock floor. Next question is, the soil transported by wind is called, your option is aeolian soil, marine soil, alluvial soil or lacustrine soil. So which soil is transported by wind? So the soil transported by wind is your aeolian soil, that is option number A, whereas your marine soil is deposited by sea water and your alluvial soil deposit is your deposited by river water, whereas your lacustrine deposit is deposited by still water like your lakes. So the soil transported by wind is called aeolian soil, that is option number A. Next question is, wind blown silt having little or no stratification is called, your option is talus, drift, peat or loess. So wind blown silt having little or no stratification is called loess. Loess is a wind deposit soil like your silt. Okay, the particle size is between 0.01 to 0.05 mm. This you have to remember. So which one is the correct option? That is option number D, loess. Next question is, the specific gravity of sandy soil is equal to, your option is 6, 0.6, 2.6 or 5.2. So the specific gravity of sandy soil is 2.6. You have to remember the range, that is from 2.65 to 2.67. So the correct answer is option number C, that is 2.6. Next question is, black cotton soils cover a large part of, your option are northern region, Rajasthan, central India or southern India. Okay, so the black cotton soil covers a large part of southern India, that is option number D is correct. Next question is, flocculent structure is found in, your options are gravels, coarse sand, silts or clay. So the flocculent structure is found in clay. Clay is what is normally understood to mean a clay soil whose grains are predominantly composed of clay minerals and also has a plasticity and a cohesion. Okay, So the flocculent structure is found in the clays. Option number D is correct. Next question is, which of the following types of soil is not wind blown deposit? Your options are drift, loess, dune sand, or aeolian deposits. So you have to answer the type of soil which is not a wind blown deposit. That is your drift soil. Okay, drift soil is not a wind blown deposit, it is transported by ice, whereas your loess, dune sand, and aeolian soil are deposited by wind blown. So the type of soil which is not wind blown deposit, that is your drift. Option number A is correct. Next question is, what is the most common medium for sediment transport? Your option is ice, human, wind, or water. So the most common medium for sediment transport is your water. Option number D is correct. Next question is, soils which are formed by decomposition of rocks are called as, your options are alluvial soils, lateritic soils, desert soils, or black cotton soils. So the soils which are formed by decomposition of rocks are called as lateritic soils. That is option number B is correct. Whereas your black cotton soil is inorganic in nature. Okay. So the which one is the correct option? That is option number B. Next question is, black cotton soil is a product of decomposition of, your option is granite, marble, basalt, or sandstone. So the black cotton soil is a product of decomposition of basalt. That is option number C is correct. Next question is, soils are basically, your options are organic, inorganic material, mineral material, or option number D, that is organic and inorganic materials both. So soils are what? Soil is a mixture of organic material, minerals, gases, liquids, and organisms that together support life. So soils are basically what? That are organic as well as inorganic materials. That is option number D is correct. Next question is, clay is a, your option is a porous as sand. Option B is as porous as gravel. Option C is less porous than sand. Option D is none of these. So clay is less porous than sand. That is option number C is correct. Next question is, soil classification chart was derived by, your option is Terzaghi, Meyerhoff, Fellinius, or Casgrande. So the soil classification chart was derived from Casgrande. That is option number which is correct, that is option number D is correct. Next question is, porcelain is made by heating material having, your options are kaolinite, montmorillonite, bentonite, or phyllite. So which one is the correct? Porcelain is a hard white substance that is used for making expensive cups and your plates. So you have to remember this. So porcelain is what? Is a very hard white substance that is used for making expensive cups and your plates, and it is made by heating materials having kaolinite. Option number A is correct. Next question is, the force of attraction between the individual particles of soil which keeps the soil particle bound together is known as, your option is compaction, cohesion, internal friction, or dilatancy. So the force of attraction between the individual particles of soil which keeps the soil particles bound together is known as cohesion. That is your option number B is correct. Next question is uniformity coefficient of soil is, your option is always less than 1, always equal to 1, or equal to less than 1, and option D is equal to greater than 1. So uniformity coefficient of soil is equal to greater than 1, that is option number D is correct. Next question is cohesionless soils are formed due to the following. So you have to answer. Option number A is hydration, oxidation, physical disintegration, or none of the above. So cohesionless soils are formed due to the which physical disintegration, that is option number C is correct. Okay. Next question is at shrinkage limit the degree of saturation in percentage of soil is, your option is always less than 100, equal to 100, always 0, or less than 100. So at the shrinkage level the degree of saturation in percentage of soil is equal to 100. Now what is shrinkage limit? So it is defined as the lowest water content at which the soil is fully saturated. Okay, you have to remember this. Shrinkage limit is what? Is the lowest water content at which the soil is fully saturated. So at shrinkage limit the degree of saturation in percentage of soil is equal to 100, that is option number B is correct. Next question is which of the following is the most common of the clay mineral? Your option is gypsum, kaolinite, montmorillonite, or elite. So which one is the correct? So the most common of the clay mineral is your montmorillonite. So it is a mineral with nanofoil structure. It is the most common clay mineral. So you have to remember this. So the most common of the clay mineral is montmorillonite. That is option number C is correct.